All right, drink we're about to make is a Charro Negro. First thing we'll do is put some ice in a glass here and measure out 1 shot of tequila. Now you can do a white tequila or a gold tequila or a somewhat yellow tequila. And we're going to go ahead and add our Coca-Cola or any cola you like. We're just going to fill that up. There we go. And some lemon juice. We're going to do the juice of half of a lemon. There we are. And let's go ahead and mix that up real good. All right, we're mixed real nice. Now let's take a glass here, and we'll take a lemon peel and go ahead and rim the glass with the lemon peel. And dip that in some salt. There we go. Go ahead and pour it in. And doesn't that look nice? Give it a straw and you have a Charro Negro. Bottoms up.